how to turn on headphone safety on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to use your headphones safely? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to settings and then go to sounds and haptics. Now scroll to the bottom and here you'll find headphone safety. Tap on it and then toggle on headphone notifications. So now this will help you protect your hearing by measuring headphone audio levels. So if you exceed a certain decibel, then you'll get a notification that you should lower the volume. And then you can even toggle on reduce loud audio for better safety. You can set the decibel according to your wish. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.